Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Phils, and I'm back again with this interesting one. This one is going to be a quick one. This is actually for people that have apps on Play Store. You are intending developer that want to publish your app on Play Store. Over the past few months now, just a month plus, right? I think in November. So, Google Play Store published a new policy, right? You must have gotten an email if you actually have a developer account on Google Play Store. So a lot of things actually has changed. So there's a lot of tightening up, the freedom that we had initially when we actually started publishing apps in Play Store. All of them is kind of going away, and I think it's because they're trying to probably make people to really work hard, and it's not actually easy for people that actually come in for the first time, but I believe we just have to do something to actually save guard our account, because if you have an account already and you don't really get into this one within the specified time frame, you're going to probably lose the account, and then you're going to lose all the app that you already published. So that's why this is really something you have to look into. So they made a new change, which is actually requiring that every developer that has an account on Google Play Store needs to actually observe this policy and sign some kind of information. You need to provide some kind of information to be able to keep that account. So I've gotten that email for quite a long time, and I have not been able to attend to it for a long time, but I was able to just book my slots. So I actually chose a date in 2024, which is basically 24th on the 5th of December 2024, roughly 1 year from here. But I'll have to be able to fulfill that deadline, have to fulfill that very obligation before the deadline. That's actually what it means. So if you choose a date in 2024, you must have actually fulfilled this very requirement before that deadline to prevent your account from being disabled, right? So if you've received this email, which I believe if you already have an account, you must have received that. So you could just go through your email box and then search that. You would find that. Then they're asking you that what you need to verify. To learn more about this, you could just visit this website. I'm going to show you that. So you can choose your verification deadline, which I already did, and I already booked a date in 2024. So if you don't choose a deadline before this date, they will automatically assign one to you, right? So if you don't book a date by yourself before the deadline of February 29, 2024, Google is going to assign a random date for you, which might not really be convenient. Maybe probably people have actually booked all the dates, so that wouldn't be fun, right? So if you actually constrained, so it's okay if you have an account, you just quickly go there and book a deadline. I did book one for myself, right? So, and this is what I have in my account. You can see I have your deadline is to complete the verification is on December 5th of 2024, right? So this is the time I have to be able to really complete this verification by going through the policies, and I'm going to probably show you that that policy, or the deadline is actually how you can actually do that, right? So it's very, very important, and the requirement is basically some informations that pertain to you. Sorry, if you're actually running a private account or a personal account like the one that this account is on, but if you're running a business account or a company account or an organization account, the requirement probably is going to be different. So for them, you see, before you submit your app, you must accurately provide your developer account information, including this legal name. That is if you actually a business. DUNS number is also if you're an organization. Contact email address, phone number, developer email address, phone number, as shown on Google Play. Payment methods, if you're actually publishing an app that actually probably takes in subscriptions or in-app purchases. Google Play profile link to your profile. So if you're a registered organization, you ensure that you have the developer account information is up to date. So accurately provide all the metadata, upload your app's privacy policies. This is also an interesting one. I'm going to show you a subset of an email that I received, which actually got one of my apps to be unpublished, right? So most of those apps were actually apps that I used for some kind of test purposes and stuff. So I think because of that, now they're actually tightening. So the freedom you have to actually play around on the player account is really going down. And I also understood that for you to publish an account again right now, you probably have to need about about 20 testers, which is one of the most difficult of these whole policies, right? So it's very difficult to actually get up to 5 testers in real scenarios, especially if you're just a starter. Imagine you just, after learning some tutorials and you want to publish maybe a note-taking application or stuff like that. So you probably need about 20 testers for them to really test this before Google can actually allow you to publish that. I think this is one of the most difficult ones, but at least you're actually gonna have to start paying to freelancers, maybe on Upwork or Fiverr, to review your account. That's because people are actually going to find a way to do that, because there's no other way you could have. Even your family and friends can already make up to 20 people that will test your app and give you a go. So, which should probably happen in the closed testing part of your application if you have published an app before. So it's actually very interesting that you do that before the deadline. The deadline, according to them, for you to choose the stuff by yourself is actually by February 29 of 2024. So you have to do that. If you once you log into your account, your Play account, you're going to find when you go to the All Apps section, you're going to find this very banner that is going to lead you to where you can actually book this slot, right? So let me also share with you how you can actually get that. So if you log into your account, like you can see here, there's deadlines that is assigned. The first message about this actually came on probably on November. So the deadline is 29, like I said. So the developers can start completing account verifications on the console by April 1st. All right. So for you to be able to choose your deadline, you can see once you log into your account and you're on the All Apps tab, you will see something like this. This is what I had. Then I clicked on Get Started or Choose a Verification Deadline, which will take you to the next phase where you can now actually complete that. So I'm going to link this in the description for you guys to actually quickly jump into it. It's going to be life-saving for your account, and also probably all the apps that you already have in your Play Store. And if you're actually trying to create an account for the first time, that's also something you need to take note of, right? So if you're an organization or if a business, then you also need to know that you need to get a DUNS number. The DUNS number is something you can actually get here for free. So the link in the description is going to give you access to where you can actually do that. So after you've booked yourself, then from April, they said you can start to provide the verification information for private accounts. This is all you need: legal name, address, contact email, prefer local for email communications, contact phone number, developer email, then developer website, but this one is optional. If you're an organization, you need extra data apart from the personal information you're supposed to provide. You also need to provide organization informations, company name, non-profit, academic, that is the organization type, actually the scale or the size of the business, the organization phone number or website and stuff. So this is the complete guide that you actually need to actually get yourself started with this, and you'll find a link in the description. So this is basically what I wanted to share with you guys, so that you don't miss out on this if you have an account on Google Play Store, and if you're also starting out. If this is your first time, if you like this information, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell, because we'll be sharing other sweet informations relating to developer account, whether on Play or on App Store Connect, and also mobile application development, like we always do here at FixLab. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell, and I'm going to see you on the next one.